Let's solve another coding interview problem from line 75. Our problem for today is longest repeating character replacement. Here's the statement, but in short, we have a string s and an integer k. We can replace a character from s for any other character, and we can do that at most k times. What is the longest segment of identical characters we can get? For example, here we have AB, AB, and k is equal to 2. So in 2 moves, we can make either this or this. So the longest segment is 4. Here we have AA, BA, BBA, and k is equal to 2. We can make either this or this. So the answer is again 4. So how do we solve the general problem? Pause and think if you want. Okay, so to solve this, I will use binary search and sliding window technique. Let's imagine you suspect x to be the answer. How do you check if x is actually the answer? You have to find a segment of length x that you can make all the same in at most k moves. Let's take the first x letters of the word s and count occurrences of each letter. It makes sense to change all of the letters to be the most frequent one. This way we use the least number of moves. To find out the number of moves we have to make, let's subtract the count of most frequent letter from x. If this number is smaller than k, then we can make these moves and a segment of length x is possible. If not, then we just slide our window, removing the leftmost letter and adding the next letter on the right. Then we check again and again. If by the time we reach the end, it was not possible to create a segment of length x, then we have to try for smaller x. And if it was possible, then maybe we should try larger x. And that's where the binary search comes into play. Here's the solution. Follow for more and let's max out your coding.